All right, good day, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're watching the video and where you're watching from. So, this is Gbpjpy. So, all right, this pay actually I've not been trading this pay for quite a long time, but how I got to open it today is one of my mentee sent me a screenshot of the start of this. I wanted to know, boss, can I enter this data kind of stuff? So then I got to go on my system and started over to analyze this pair, right? So I'm going to show you guys how I did my top-down analysis on Gbpjpy, right? So first of all, yeah, getting down to the 1 week time frame. So as you do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Haven't subscribed to this channel, you're watching for the first time, and then give a thumbs up so that this video can reach other persons to like you. So don't forget to comment if there are some aspects of Forex trading that you are having difficulties, then you can make videos in it. So just do that now, subscribe now. So we are starting. So this what Gbpjpy looks on the 1 week time frame. You can see on the 1 week time frame. This is what it looks like, right? So I actually say that it's not actually giving a clear trend, right? So all right, let me show you what I mean. Yeah, do something. Okay. Now, when you want to draw this trend down this way, right? Yeah. So you get to see that price are broken into the upside, right? And just I always tell you guys, make use of trend line very well. Right? You can see how price really is. Okay, price broke it to the upside here, right? Let's have our pouch. You can see how price broke to the upside, right? And after that break, got it tested, and then they buying up. So trend line, once you're able to plot your trend line quite very well, it works. Yes, it works. It add confirmation to your NJ. So, but that's not what I'm gonna look at here. So I just want to show you what the weekly time frame looks like, right? So you can see how I plotted my key levels, Then next we should get down to the daily time frame and see what it looks like too. Now on the daily time frame, I was able to catch up that there is this double bottom rise as given here. There is a double bottom here. So after the last drop, price moving up. So I drew this trend line of this end. So you can see the first touch, the second touch, and then we are still waiting for what price is going to do before the third touch here. Now, upon the third touch, you can see price touch there, but the touch again buying, right? So on the normal day, you're supposed to expect price to drop here and then still buy. But don't forget that on this weekly time frame that we just came out, the price is at a strong resistance zone, right? You can see this a resistance zone on the weekly time frame. The price have tapped into, right? And then, so we are actually expecting a pull down, right? So, but let's keep on taking the analysis step by step, time frame by time frame. So I will show you guys what you should be expecting on this step. So don't forget that on the higher time frame, price is at a resistance zone that you should be expecting for a step. And I will tell you one of the reasons why I do plot, why it's important for you to plot out your key levels and plotting it correctly. Just imagine, okay, if I didn't have this key level down here, right? And then I've been buying and I'm buying, hitting my TP, making money. Now there is no key level here. Now price have bought all the level of this high that it has dropped before, right? So on normal you're supposed to expect a pull down, right? So imagine trading on the, because if you're gonna trade on the lower time frame, okay, let me show you a view on 2 minute time frame. Normally, most traders make entries on the 2 minute time frame. Imagine if I didn't draw it, you can see it's showing, right? Because if you didn't draw it on the 15 minute time frame, that's other high will be showing here. This is not the high. Don't be confused. This is not the high the price has dropped, right? Look at the previous high here. You can only view it on a higher time frame. So that's why it is very important to plot out the key levels. So that's it. So that's one. Then we go down to the daily time frame. Then join our trend. So this 4 hours time frame. Talking about the daily time frame first. So the 1 day time frame, now you got this double bottom, which price have dropped and they started pulling up. So I drew my trend line. Price have tapped in here, then tapped in here. Now price haven't got to here yet again. So we are gonna go to the 4 hours time frame. I'm just showing you guys how I was able to make analysis and then go to what I am into now, right? So now to the 4 hours time frame, still seeing that price is still pushing up, giving breaks, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, breaks to the upside. So that's confirmation of an uptrend, right? So I drew this trend. So you can see the first touch, the second touch, and then not touch here yet. So that's that for 4 hours time frame. So I'm just using this trend line to like taking it step by step. Now let me tell you another reason why you have to draw this trend on this time frame I'm mentioning. Right now, imagine if price, okay, I see how price touched on the boards, right? Price also touched here and it fall. Now imagine if price happens to get to this trend, right? So that's actually a buy opportunity. Now, not just with this trend, other information you should make, right? To know if you can take this buy. So although the buy might be for maybe a potential buyer, price you just take scalpers, have your 50, 60, 70 pips, place of trade, and then price might actually still break down this trend. Same thing to this trend we have June. This normally is 4 hours, and then this is daily time frame. This same thing you are doing daily time frame. If you actually get to hit here, now if you're expecting that okay, price will get a pullback a little, so this is a confirmation for entry to buy, right? So you also add the other confirmation, other confirmation, very value down, other block and all that. So you still take start your buy. Just that is that's why I'm dropping all this trend on each of the time frame I do trade on. Now we have that of 4 hours time frame. So we are getting to 45 minutes time frame now. I see what's there. Okay, on the 45 time frame, don't forget this is the trend of the 4 hours time frame, and then this is that here is that of the 45 minutes time. So let's allow that to do it. Okay, now look at what happened here. Excuse me, look at what happened here. Now, price got to this upside. I retested. After I went to happen, this trend wasn't here, right? So I just was trying to upload this trend so I will have it close to what's actually happening in the market currently, right? So it happens to be that this trend corresponds with this, that price breaking this and upon this retest, but I just trend line break and retest. So just this strategy. Before yesterday, I've come across this before. Trend line break and retest, break and retest, then buy. So just that way. So we had that touch, this touches, this, and then this that price broke. Now let's explain something here. Now we have been able to figure out that on the higher time frame that there's a resistance zone the price is supposed to respect. Right? So we are now being conscious of it. Now price have actually tapped into that resistance zone, right? That we're able to put that on the higher time frame, the weekly time frame. Price tapped into it and then it's so down, right? Now still kind of consolidating here. Now why I say consolidating because on the normal day, price have been giving break of structure to the upside. See here, broke here to the upside. Here. Then when you got here, price haven't actually broke to the upside. So as long as it's doing anything here, we call it it's a ranging. Price is just ranging here. Now, price actually got to break this trend line. This is my trend line under the 5 minutes time frame. Price happens to break it down, right? Now, breaking it, price wasn't able to break this, what they call it, this last low that you drop here, this last lower lows, sorry, lower high that you drop here. I wasn't able to break it, like there wasn't a break of structure. Because if price broke it downwards, like giving a break of structure, then look at what next I would be expecting or we should be expecting. If price have broke it downwards to maybe something like this, then we should be expecting it to test to this trend and then sell down. You understand? But unfortunately, price just came here and here served as a demand for price to buy, right? This is a good number of pips for price to buy to the upside. So now some persons might consider it as a trend line liquidity, right? If you take my videos, I've made videos on liquidity, what liquidity means. So some person might consider a trend line liquidity, price just manipulated us and just trade that liquidity and then trend line liquidity. Because on a normal day, if there wasn't a resistance zone there, So that means I would have been looking out for a buy here. Just the same way that price tapped into this thing and it bought. I would have been looking at a buy here. But there wasn't confirmations because price didn't give a break of structure to the upside. It didn't give a break of structure here. That's what I mean. This is the last high, right? It was the last high. And after price tapped in here, it didn't break to the upside. As when it broke to the upside, then upon it to this trend line, then I will still buy. But first of all, price didn't break, right? And then broke this trend line downwards. So here, serving as a demand right bought, but didn't break the upside. Now we're still looking out to see what price trying to do here. So the trade you have been taking recently should be a scalp trade. Now let me get to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what happened next. So on my 15 minutes time frame, say that I broke to the upside. Now I still drew my trend. I still drew my trend line. I don't line a loss. Doesn't matter how should we call it trouble or work. What's important is that you know what you're doing and you're making money. So now I drew my trend line to this upside. Now the touch. Now price to touch here. Now this they can actually call this touch. Price gave a mini break outside. So this actually can be called the break of structure. Yeah, yes. So price didn't break to the upside anyway. Now everybody can consider this here as the double top. Yes. Here as a double top, right? Double top, right? So now this double top happens to there was a news today on JPP, yes, on JPP, and then broke this trend. This is my mini trend on a 15 minutes time frame. So price broke it to the downside and then requested to this trend. Now I will show you guys, the screenshot. Now you can see this line I do here with my part, the one I do down, right, then up, and then down again. Now I do this before when price was actually at this zone, when price was actually here. It was early in the afternoon today before New York section. Before New York section, price was actually consolidating here, just trying to break down here, right? So before I got to New York section, price broke down to this side and then grew the trend and then it tested just like I anticipated using this patch. Right? So it tested to this trend. Unfortunately, when it got to that trend, I wasn't active to take a sell, right? And already it was late, so I just left it. So just this line, I was able to plot out the entries, and I actually dropped the signal in my group. So tomorrow, because the price is still gonna continue consolidating here, and hopefully, even another section, it's gonna come here, that is it. Another section right now here, and then we said that this should be about 12 to 30 pips, yes, 70 pips. That was I'm gonna expect. So that was how I was able to break down this pair, Gbpjpy. A pair I have not been trading for quite a long time, right? So now the thing is this: whenever you get to a new currency pair, right, you just find out which strategy that works for it, right? Find a strategy that works for it. But the same strategy you use on JPY pairs shouldn't be one strategy you use on, like let's say US card, right? Yes. I have a first strategy that I use on USD card, and it works for me almost all the time. So I sent a screenshot to one of my mentee, someone on personal mentorship. Uh, I'm expecting price that if price doesn't, yes, when I do this mini block here, let me zoom it a little so I can have a clear view. When I do this mini block here, price haven't broke down. You can see now price broke down, right? And then it's pushing back. I told you that I'm not gonna take this if price doesn't break. If price doesn't break down here, like if price from this other block begin to come to my zone and activate here, I'm not gonna take this sell. There's a possibility that price just break this, take our S and then keep on coming to this zone again, like keep on coming here. Price might keep on coming to this zone to sell, right? Yeah. So what I was saying, I will only enter here when price give me a break to downward side, then I would, and then upon this retest, then I would sell. So that was how I made this analysis, and you can see it's playing out as I anticipated. So one thing with Forex is this: you just trade what you see, right? You don't make an analysis and begin to have that mind, because when you don't have that confidence, then I don't know. you have a long way to go, right? One thing is having that confidence. And I will be honest to tell you that what keeps my confidence is about trading a small account. So as we're talking about that, let me show you guys. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you what I have here. Okay. All right. So I was looking for this. So this was, excuse me. So this was the analysis, right? Before price broke down here. Because when price was dropping here, right? Before the news, actually I was not aware of the news of GPUSD and BOE news too, and didn't know it was gonna be this effective, right? So I was thinking that when price drop here, first of all, there's another block here and a fair value gap, right? There's a fair value gap here. The price out actually covered, right? So when price was still at this and trying to break down here, I was saying that when price dropping here, first of all, following this trend that I show you guys for 5 minutes time frame, and then another block. I was expecting price to buy, give us a few buy, right? And then you say I sent the signal to my group, but actually our SL was taking, right? If you look on the other image, right? On the other image, so yes, this okay. You can see right, that's what I said by dropping down, right? But it took out SA, which made the entry from here, took out our SA, then it tested to this trend line, just the way I anticipated, right? But what's important is getting your bias right, right? Getting your bias right. So it took out SA because of the pressure of the news, it took it out and then tested, and then you can see it dropping already. So this is just simple technical analysis, right? So let me also show you guys other stuff. This is just simple analysis, right? Okay. All right. So this is our signal group. So you can see this is what I told you. I already dropped this trade, but I'll be making the entry tomorrow, right? So these are the trade we took today, right? Everybody was making money. I was making money. So we draw signals back to back, right? Gbpjpy, USD, Gbpjpy, your other Gbpjpy. So I don't send signals on the way because some of my mentees are still having more account trying to grow maybe $30, $50, $100. So now I just tell good on my own say, imagine sending the signal on good and then the SL was taken. So you know how volatile good can be. So I, my priority is protecting the capital, right? Like the capital, right? So, okay. So, can see that, can see price, just like I said, you should break this. After breaking this, you push up. You can see price already pushing up. So, you can have the entry if you are lucky to see this video, but it activate the entry at 190.288, the SA 190.488, and take profit for 191.588. Take profit 70 pips and then risking 20 pips, right? 20 pips, 70 pips. So, give you this for free. So you can, if you want to join our signal group, you can see how we drop signal almost all the time. If you want to join our signal group, you can check, you should drop our number somewhere in this video. You can check our previous videos. Just try look for a way to reach us out on WhatsApp, right? On WhatsApp, then on TikTok if you're following us on TikTok. So you can have access to our signal group. So you can, we have our free group which we drop signal just once, maybe once in a day, one should have a good trade set up. But if one receives straight and back-to-back signal, they have to jump and premium group. It's just 30,000 naira monthly, right? And if you fund the account $30 and above, right? $500 fund, we're gonna help you grow your account. So there's nothing much there. I think that's gonna be all. I think I have a setup on US card. Let me see what's happening there. Yes, yeah, US cards. Yeah, yes. So okay. So I'm not an aggressive trader, right? I make my analysis and allow you to come to my zone and pay out, right? So trading is all about patience, right? So if I start trader, you have to be smart to be able to know when to pack your entry and exit with your profit. So you can't be scalping with many loss size, right? If you want to scalp, that means you have enough funds, right? Enough equity, account equity, that you can use a bigger loss size and before 50, 20 to 30 pips, they have made a good money, right? And you do. But swing traders or day traders, we patiently wait for price to come. So this actually is swing trade, right? Actually is swing trade. And so if a scalper would have tried to buy here, trade order here, just this way, scalper might try to buy here, so buy that today, don't get me tricked to the upside, then still profit. So if you're not able to close once you see profit, you can see that price we take you out, right? Just that way. But I'm gonna wait for price to come here because I'm pulling my trend line, right? I can still have another trend line just this way. I still have another trend. Yes. Okay, just that same way I told you, scalper would have taken a buy. If I had my trend line, I would have put up a buy here. But this buy, how many pips? Let's do everything. Sorry. Okay. How many pips? Buy. Where is the price range again? Where is it? Can't access it. Okay. Price range. About 35 pips. A good trade, right? You're going to end 35 pips, you close. But you can see when the price is dropping, see, break down here, break down here. Let's take on again. Come to our zone, we have a long bar, just like the previous trade we had here. See this? This is about 110 pips. Price came, let me get, uh, yeah, you can see this just that same way. The entry here just trend line, fair value gap, another block, simple. Fair value gap, other block, trend line. Price came here, after price, all the whole noise the meeting came here. Report, right? Look into this trend again. Buying, just right. Still having that same trend, buying, just that way, right? So that just to keep it simple. Keep it simple. So I'm not like this now invalid. So you can still have this previous exchange trade. Should pay out next week, 1.36748 your entry, and 1.36496 stop loss 1.38251 take profit. This 150 pips trades and risking 25 pips, 25.2. So not a bad one. So we are patiently wait for price to come here. Price obviously coming here. Market is not running channel. It's gonna come here and then we'll have our buy. So then we're done.